The main wheel can be removed. Again, it's one of those personal preference things. You don't have to remove it for travel. At the back of the wheel, there's another hitch pin, and the pulleys come right off. You can choose to upgrade for more speeds. 12, 8, 5, and 3 to 1 are our ratios on this particular model. There is another hitch pin between. That just keeps enough space between the spacer washers and the main washer behind the pulleys so that you're not rubbing against your upright. Because we're using high precision bearings, with minimal effort it does spin for a considerable amount of time without any extra effort.